Do you want to know how you can delete the voice match modal on Google Gemini? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete the voice match modal in Google Gemini. Go ahead and open Gemini on your phone and tap on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand side. Now click on Settings and click on Google Assistant features in Gemini. You can see Hey Google and Voice Match. Tap on it. Scroll a bit down and you can see Delete Voice Match Modal. If you tap on it, you can see you can remove voice match modal from your phone. If you remove voice match from your phone, your assistant will no longer be able to recognize your voice on this device. This will also turn off Hey Google on this phone, and some paired accessories may stop responding to Hey Google. So after you read this, go ahead and click remove, and in a while you can see that your voice has been removed from or deleted from your phone. So this is how you delete voice match modal in Google Gemini. If you want to turn on Hey Google again, go ahead and tap on it. So you must speak to Google now, and then you can activate voice match using Hey Google. So this is how you delete voice match modal on Google Gemini. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.